What's up, guys? It's Blacktrucker FB. I'm gonna show you how to assemble and just walk you through how to put together your Black River trucks. So the first thing you're gonna need, obviously, is a deck to put them on. I'm riding a 34 millimeter by 98 millimeter Collins wood. Yeah, so now you're just gonna open them up. There's the tool. Didn't come with a Black River tool this time, which is weird, but it's whatever. Here are the trucks. Really nice. I want to see if the camera will focus. Really, really nice. The wheels I'm gonna ride are these dual bearing wheels from Yellowwood. Definitely recommend these ones. They are urethane, and they're just great. Probably the best wheels I've ever ridden. Definitely. Now let's just set up the board. Yeah, so I've put one wheel on, and I've noticed that it kind of looks like one side of the axle is a little bit shorter. I'm pretty sure that's just because it's a straight through axle design. So you might have to like move it a little bit if you're using dual bearing wheels, but other than that, I mean, it should work fine. So, with these trucks, I definitely do not recommend riding dual bearing wheels with the Black River trucks. Yeah, so the bolts these bearing wheels don't fit really well on these trucks, but I do have some, Winkler wheels coming in, so those should work just fine on this board. And yeah, they are a little tight. I mean, I am used to riding tight trucks because I ride Y trucks, and those come a little bit tight also. But I usually just throw some teak tuning in them. The bushings really do help, as you can see. I can turn it really easily, and it just feels great. Yeah, great trucks. Definitely go buy a pair. Yeah. Only good things about these trucks, except for you can't really put dual bearing wheels on them. Yeah, really great trucks. Really great. Yeah, so Black River trucks, get a pair.